In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add filter on Google Meet. Open Google Chrome and then go to your Google Meet meeting. Once you are in your meeting, the next thing you should do is turn on your camera, =. When your video is on, you should be able to see your own self-view, usually positioned near the bottom or in a side panel depending on your layout. Look at the bottom right of your self-view window. In that area, you should see an icon called Backgrounds and Effects. Click that icon to open the Effects panel. After you click it, a menu should appear on your screen. Click the Filters tab so you can browse the filter choices. Once you enter the Filters tab, you will see different options you can apply to your live camera view. Now you can select the filter that you want. When you find a filter you like, simply keep it active. Your meeting video should reflect the change immediately, assuming your camera is running properly and the meeting allows video effects. Next, there is another useful feature you should know about, especially if you prefer changes to your overall look instead of a face filter. In the Effects menu, you will also see a tab called Appearance. Appearance is for lighting and color styles. Click the Appearance tab to switch from filter choices to appearance settings. Once you are in the Appearance tab, review the lighting and color options. Again, use the preview in your self-view as your guide. Click an appearance style and watch how it affects your video. After you choose your lighting and color style, your video should update to match your selection. And that covers everything you need to know.